Uneven road conditions and everyday driving affects your vehicle's alignment. Some common signs your vehicle needs an alignment are uneven or premature tire wear, a crooked steering wheel, the vehicle is pulling left or right. Maximize tire life, tire performance, and fuel mileage when you check your alignment at Tansky Sawmill Toyota. Our factory-trained team uses state-of-the-art technology to get your camber, toe, and caster aligned. Complimentary amenities are available, including Wi-Fi, service specials, experts, and more. Relax in our comfortable waiting area and enjoy complimentary coffee and refreshments. We look forward to serving you.